Come on, where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? Eh? This little bird doesn't really want to leave Lola alone. This is so fantastic. This is so cute. The birds, this little baby bird been on Lola's back since. Lola, don't go too fast. The bird is with you. Hey, be gentle, okay? Oh, this is so funny. Hello, little bird. Do you think Lola is your mommy? Lola, we're not going home yet. Do you know that there is a bird behind you, Lola? Do you know that? Eh? This is so funny. This little bird is so funny. Hey, Lola, look. There's a little bird on top of you. Hi, little one. Hey, you're right. Hey, are you okay? Do you want to fly? Come on, fly. Fly away. Go and find your mommy. Come on. Don't you not want to fly, little one? Eh? Go and fly. Lola, we're not going out yet. I'm so... This is funny. Are you sure, Lola? The birds is still on top of you. What are we gonna do? This is outrageous. It's just so funny. I just find it so funny. This baby bird doesn't want to fly away. Oh, ayaw nga eh. Oo. Kanina pa yan. Lola, what we gonna do with the little birds? Eh? Ha? Hindi naman. Oo nga, baby pa lang eh. Lola, we need to go and get your carrier. Lola, we're not going yet. Okay? Lola, stay. Lola, be nice. The bird is right there, okay? Be nice, baby.